Here's a quick, sturdy bed design with easy access storage. This is a non-permanent design, great for full-size or minivans, possibly large SUVs. A 2x4 frame, a few hinges connected to a 2x4 above the wheel well, and the frame rests on sturdy milk crates for storage. Milk crates are almost the exact height of the wheel wells in a full-size van. I've found them for free or real cheap at garage sales or on Craigslist. You'll look for the metal ribbing inside the wall panel, and a handful of screws in one 2x4 makes this about a 5-minute install and a 5-minute removal. I wouldn't call this a no-build, but as close as I could get it. Also, try not to drill through any speaker wires. The most important wiring in the vehicle is usually run along the floor or ceiling, so just a heads up. After pre-drilling, connect the frame pieces with the 3-inch wood screws. Now line out the hinges and screw them to the frame and the support 2x4. Hopefully you found some free untreated pallet wood or other reclaimed boards to use for the bed top surface. If not, you could grab some 1x4 pine or cedar fence pickets. Line these out against the frame edge to get them measured, marked out, and cut. And of course, pre-drill the ends so they don't split. The hinge bed has easy access to your storage, or you can use a rope or chain and latch to get it out of your way for extra cargo space. A piece of rope on a grab handle, if you have one, tied around a bed slat or the frame would be the easiest way. I used a piece of chain drilled to the wall with a self-tapping screw and washer. Any of these homemade washers will work. You could simply hook the chain to a screw hidden under the bed frame. Hopefully this video was helpful or inspires a new project. Let me know if you have any suggestions or questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.